Now we are going to see about some interesting modules in Python. Emoji module, how do I, Wikipedia, turtle, anti-gravity. Emoji module is used for using emojis in Python. How do I is more like a Stack Overflow. You can ask your question in Python itself. Wikipedia is used to get Wikipedia information in Python itself. Turtle is used for animation, and anti-gravity module is used when you import anti-gravity, it will open a website which consists of Python memes. Let me show you the code of these modules so that you can better understand these modules and also you can use in your programs. But before running these interesting modules, we have to install these modules, because these modules are third-party modules. So we have to install either it through command prompt or through anaconda prompt. So I have just installed pip install emoji. This is the syntax for downloading such modules. So pip install emoji, it will install the emoji module for you. But here it shows requirement already satisfied because I have already installed it. So the requirement has been already satisfied. Similarly for other modules like pip install Wikipedia, then pip install anti-gravity, we don't need to import the turtle module because turtle module is already an inbuilt module in Python, so it is not a third party. Other than this, all these are third party modules, so we have to install it, then only we can able to run that in our code. Now we are going to see how to run the interesting modules. So first module is emoji. Generally we will call the module using import, so import emoji. Then emojize is the function that is present within emoji module that prints the emoji. So when you run this import emoji, you will get a thumbs up emoji. So thumbs up emoji. These are some other emojis. When you run this, the particular emoji that has been specified there will get executed. The next one is the Wikipedia module. The Wikipedia module will print the Wikipedia of the specified Wikipedia summary of that specified title. So I am going to assign that value in a variable result. So the function is wikipedia.summary, and I specify the title as India and sentences as 2. So it will print the up to 2 sentences. Then I am going to print the result. So when I run this program, you can see it will take some time because it is fetching the details. See, you will get the answer. It will print the 2 string up to 2 sentence 2. Then you can also specify the output in your specified language. You can also print that summary in your specified language. Here HI is used for Hindi. So when I run this program, it will print the summary in Hindi language. So it will take a few minutes to run. So you could able to see that the code has been printed in Hindi language. When I again run this program, so it will print it in Hindi. So this, so see, it has printed it in Hindi language. Next, turtle. Turtle is used for animation purpose. You can learn about this in your future programming. When you learn Python programming, you will learn turtle. So when I run this, it will print an animation pattern. I will show you. See, this is the output of the turtle program. It prints some pattern. It is like an animation pattern. So it is mostly used for graphics and animation purpose. Next one is anti-gravity module. If you import anti-gravity module and if you run means, it will open another website that shows some Python memes. So when you run this, it will go to another website I will show you the output. So this is the output. It is showing some Python memes. You are flying how Python, like that. So it shows that from Python programming itself, if you run means we can go to the website. It shows the capability of Python language. Now we are going to see about how do I module. The syntax for how do I module is how do I use trees in Python. Just like you ask questions in Google or in Stack Overflow, you just want to include how do I in the front, and then you can ask questions. That is how do I use trees in Python. So it will give you the Stack Overflow answer of how to create a tree. Then the second one is how do I use class in Python. So it will it will give you the answer of how to use classes in Python.